So hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Your boy Lewis back with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get more members or server joins per day in your Discord server. So you might be already aware about the bump sites where you post your server and your daily bump so that your server appears on the top and you get more joins. But today I'm going to introduce you to a bump system which is made inside the Discord, which you can use to get more server joins per day than this bump sites can give you. So let me introduce you to our bot, that is Eco. So Eco has an inbuilt bump system. What basically is bump system? So let me explain it to you with an example. So let's say there are 4 servers and each server is isolated, meaning that the members in one server don't know about the other 3 servers. So what we can basically do is we can create a server ad and we can post in other 3 servers. Now what's the benefit of the other 3 servers? They can also create their ad and post in your server. So in this way, the people across the 4 servers will know that there exists this 4 server and they can join. In this way, you can get more joins. Like the server 1 can create his server ad and it can post in server 2, 3, 4. Now the members from server 2, 3, and 4 will join server 1, and the people from server 2, 3, 4 can also post the ad in server 1 to get members from server 1. So this is how the bump system works, and this is not just limited to 4 server. As the EcoBot grows and as it joins more server, there will be more server access. Like there will be around 300, 400, or if it succeeds, then we can have 10,000 or even more. So in that way, you can get your ad posted to those 10,000 servers and you can get members from each of those servers. So now let me tell you how to set up the bump system using Eco. So a full disclaimer guys, that I have not pushed the update for this pump system. Like I have made the commands available to the Eco, but I have not officially pushed an update to tell people that there is this bump system. So I'm just creating a tutorial now so that you guys can know when I push the update, you can follow the tutorial. So now let's go to my test server and I'm going to show you how you can use the bump system. So the bump system commands are set ad, set AC, set ADC, bump, and bump RM. So what basically these commands do is mentioned here. So like set ad can be used to set message ID of your ad. Set AC can be used to set the channel ID of the channel where the bot will post other server ads. And set ADC is the channel ID where your ad is posted. And bump will bump your ad. So now how to set up this bump system? So let's say we have a category. Now I'll create a channel here. Let's name it as server ad. So in this server ad channel, we will post our server ad. So first of all, I go to the channel permissions and I will allow none to write so that no one can write in our server ad channel. So I'll deny the permission to send messages, save changes, and yep, the changes have been saved. Now we need to post a server ad here. So I have created a server ad here. So you can follow this format or you can create your own server ad. I'll just edit the message, copy the server ad and post it here. Now we have a server ad channel. Now we need to create a channel where the other server ads will be posted. So let's say we can name it as other ads. So in this channel, ads from other server will be posted. So we need to go to permissions. We need to set the permission send messages to no, and we'll just add for Eco that it is able to post. So we'll go to Eco hashtag profile, and we need to allow it to post. So we'll just allow it, save changes. So now Eco will be able to post in this server, in the channel, and not other people will be able to. So now let's set up the bump system. So let's go to the channel, and now first we need to do set ADCs. This is the most basic and the first command you should run. So I'll run this command that is used to set the channel where our ad is posted. So we have posted our ad in this channel which is named as server ad. So now we need to copy the ID. So we'll copy the ID here and we'll just add it after a space. So now let's run this command. So it says that it has successfully added the channel. Now we need to add the server ad. So for adding the server ad, we have this command. So we'll just add this command, add a space. Now we will go to a channel that is server ad. Now we need to copy the message ID. So we'll copy the ID. We'll go to our channel and just paste the message ID. And now we'll run this command. So successfully added your server's ad. So now it has added our server ad. So now we need to run another command where the bot will post the other server ads. So for that we need to run set AC command. This is the channel. This is the command which is used to specify the channel ID of the channel where other servers ad will be posted. So now let's run this command. And where I want the other ads to be posted, this is the channel where I want. So I'll just copy the ID. Copy ID. Now I'll go back to the channel and post it here. I mean, run the command. So now successfully added your server ads channel. So now this all is set, and like you have a gap of 9 hours between each bump. So now you need to run a bump command, that is dash and bump. You can use this command every 9 hours, and what this command will do is it will post your ad to all the servers. So it has successfully started bumping a server ad, and now it will post this ad in all other servers. So now I have shown you how to set up the bump system. And also one note, so let's say I'm a very smart guy and I just bump this ad, and I'll think that let's delete this other ads channel so ads from other server are not posted. Well, that won't happen, because once you run this bump command, then this bot will regularly check that if it is able to post in this other ads channel or not. If it is not able to post, or it is not able to view the channel, then the bumping will automatically stop and you won't be able to bump for another 9 hours. So don't try to act smart there and don't delete this other ads channel, because the bot regularly checks this other ads channel. And hope I have helped you out and you are able to set up the bump system and it helps the server. Happy to help. Stay tuned for more such videos.